Good evening. I'd like to tell you about this co-promotion that we did with Bakersin last week's event started on the 13th, and we used this opportunity to tie up with Bakersin for a brand of microwave ovens. Godrej, as you know, is there in the whole range of appliances today. We've got refrigerators, we've got washing machines, we have color televisions also, not to mention microwaves and ACs. So we thought this was a good opportunity to get in touch with the customers so that we interact with them, as well as use this opportunity, showcase our range of microwaves to the customers. And what better way to do it than go ahead with a bakery chain. They've got about 32 outlets, and come to think of it, we have close to about 30 odd models in microwaves. Good response we have had from the customers, good number of leads, and it's been an encouraging thing to see that so many customers today had a good look and feel at our microwaves. We had live demonstration of microwaves here with all the customers, and all in all we are very happy with the way things have moved. Looking forward to many more events that we want to be associated with Bakersin. Godrej, we have got a range of products which would basically, our flagship product is the refrigerator. After refrigerator we have got washing machines. We have now newly introduced televisions. We have the whole range of color televisions, right, in LCD as well as CRT. We've got a range of air conditioners and microwave ovens. So in the consumer durable range, we have got all the 5 products that are there, which straddle from appliances to electronics. Hyderabad, we are a very well entrenched brand. For the last so many years in Hyderabad, we have been doing well. Godrej, as you know, is a big brand, more 100 years old now. And in addition to our appliances, we have also got our range in furniture, we have a range in furniture, securities, and Hyderabad is available everywhere. The new expansion that we have done is in color televisions. Last 2 years we have been in televisions, and we're going great guns in televisions now. It's available throughout now. In the coming year, that is a big expansion plan that we have. Response we've been getting. See, if you look at market share today in AP, we would be at a number 3 position here. The leading brands would be 2, which is LG and Samsung ahead of us. But slowly we are catching up with them in most of the product categories. Everywhere else. In the whole of the upcountry market today, we have a dealer network of close to 1300 to 1400 dealers, whom we service through a range of about 45 distributors today. And these distributors are there in all the categories.